room looks like. Right, so we are in the room, and this is what it's looking like. Pretty snazzy. You even get a book with the Enchanted Village rooms, which is pretty cool. Obviously, get all of your teas, coffees, biscuits as well, custard creams. Obviously, the TV. Well, a little switch of that. Even get these pretty cool. Well, in my opinion, kind of themed, chair and I guess like some kind of stall as well, which is pretty cool. Right, so obviously, the main attraction is the bed, and some people consider it quite important. So we're going to get a quick bed test. Right, jumping on it. And it's quite firm. There's a bit of a bounce to it, but it's all right, to be honest. Now, if you do love your pillows, there is an option of 5 here. Personally, I'm not like pillow mad, but you have this pillow here. Looks like it belongs on the sofa, but it is still themed. And then also you got your other pillows here, which are actually alright, to be honest. Kind of thinking them, I guess, a bit. But they're not bad. Obviously, there's no stains or anything as well. Bedside, you obviously have plugs on either side, in all fairness, which is quite convenient. And also bedside lights, which is good if you like reading. Over here on the other side, it's basically the same. There's a phone, so yeah, it seems to work. There's plugs and also 2 switches, which, to be fair, obviously one of them is for here, but also it does control the ceiling lights from one of these, which is quite convenient as well. Now, obviously, the main thing for some people would be the bathroom, which is pretty smart. I can't lie. There's me. There's also some complimentary things, some bath gel, shampoo, and obviously towels. We even have some soap, and then there's a sink. You have a bath and a shower if you prefer your baths. Also a heated towel rail, which is quite snazzy. There's your door. Also has a lock just in case you're having the other one. You have a spare loo roll. And there's obviously, you've even got a bin, so it's been emptied. It looks pretty empty, that does, and here's your toilet. Don't know if people want to see inside, but yeah, so it's pretty smart. It's very warm in here at the moment. We've got some kind of like attic thing. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Right, so all these Woodland Lodges are all obviously kind of like family rooms. They do come equipped with bunk beds in the other room, which in my opinion these rooms are quite snazzy. They have a little window in here, which is why if you like woodland, I suppose. Not fully sure if it opens, but there's also a fan in here. It is quite warm in here. Obviously it is March, but it's still convenient. Obviously you have your big light here, but also bedside on both the bunk bed you have like reading lights, and also the bottom bed, which is quite cool. It does have a pull-out bed at the bottom as well. So it does technically sleep 5, which is also good. Obviously, you've already got all your duvets and stuff. And obviously, the other part is obviously get these complimentary, which I talked about before, coffees, tea, milk. In here, you have your hairdryer, for those of you that need it. Personally, I prefer bourbons over custard creams, but can't be picky. And obviously, here's all your lodge inventory. If you do decide to rob some of the items, it's up to you, I guess, but obviously that's the full list here. If you're staying more than one night, it does seem there's an option to have your room serviced, which is quite cool, by dialing 0 on the phone, which I guess is alright for those of you that stay more than one night. Now, next to the double bed, there is also a storage thing. Got another bin, my jacket, obviously that doesn't come with it, and also space to hang all your clothes, which is quite cool. And a little, I guess, storage bit up there as well. I'm sure it's some kind of cot, I imagine, I think, in that as well. There's also, weirdly, 2 spare plugs. Not fully sure why you'd want to charge something in there or plug anything in, but hey-ho. Now, going back to the double bed, or the bunk bed, should I say, there's a lot, obviously, there's a lot of theming throughout the entire room, not just in here. But if I just come back here, you can see to the tree, some kind of picnic area on the floor, and it is like you're in a woodland. And obviously through the main room, your door is probably one of the best things of the room. It literally is like a woodland kind of lodge. Over here, you have a little light here. Again, it follows the theme. There's a door down there. Again, we've already talked about the pillow, the little book that comes with it. And also this kind of enchanted village pictures hang up. Even the lights, everything is so well themed in this room for what they literally say on the tin. And it's so well done. Now going outside, there is like a patio area which has a couple of benches to sit outside. Definitely good around the summer. Obviously it's March at the moment. It's probably not the best time to be sitting outside, although it is quite warm today. The theming carries on throughout the entire room, which is also very well done. So yeah, overall it's very good. Right, so we've just woken up in the room. The bed was actually really comfy, to be honest, and very difficult to get out of on this morning. As I just sort of showing you a clip of the outside. It's very nice to wake up to, I can't lie, even if it's a little cold, to put it mildly. The shower's very good, and it actually warms up pretty quick in all fairness. So yeah, I will show you some clips since, you know, shower pal, whatever you want to call it, matters for some people, I suppose. Right, so it does appear you can actually open this window. You have to move this here, it's a little bit stiff, and it can do that. I guess that's more like a child safety, so you can't, obviously children can't open it too far, but yes, you can actually open the window. Discovered that this morning. So obviously we are back home now after our stay at the Woodland Lodge. Now we paid £141, that was for 2 people, obviously one night during a pretty off-peak season. Including your stay is obviously breakfast, which you can have at a couple of the restaurants around the park. We had it at the Crooked Spoon. It was very, very nice. It's kind of buffet style. The review on the breakfast, honestly outstanding. It was very, very good. Normally these buffet styles, you have like, the things are hard and not as nice, but honestly, it was very, very good. Personally, obviously, the only letdown for me would probably be the apple juice and orange juice. It was a bit more watered down, which you sort of expect, kind of. But other than that, it was very, very good. Probably one of the best breakfasts I've tasted in a long time. Including your stay as well, you also have their golf course, which is a 9-hole thing. There's a west side and an east side of it. Now, we had the west course. Now, all these courses and 9 holes are themed around different rides and attractions throughout the park, which is also a nice extra touch as well. Also, you come with free parking and easy access to the park itself, because it's actually a hotel entrance only for hotel guests, so I guess you can get straight into the park instead of having to go through the queues at the front. It also saves them to go for the monorail. The free parking's quite good, especially as obviously that saved probably £7 or even £19 in express cases. The beds were very comfy. There was not really much sound in general. Obviously, we went on off peak times, but there were still people staying in the lodges. But it was very, very quiet. I think I woke up around 5:30 to birds tweeting, which if you're into the woodland experience, this really does what it says on the tin when it comes to woodland experiences. It's right, you're right in the woods, and all you can hear is birds, especially in the morning. Even at night, it's very quiet. One of the only criticisms of this, and it wasn't in my personal experience, so I won't let it affect anything, but they are back to back, and I don't think the walls are very thick. So if you did have a noisy neighbour, so to speak, you might not get as much sleep, and it might not be as great of an experience. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We'll be doing more of these reviews, and let me know your thoughts. If you've stayed in the Enchanted Village before, was it a great experience? Make sure you hit that like, as I've just said. Thank you all for watching. If you'd like to go and see the trip to Alton Towers, you'll be able to click on this video right here, and it'll take you straight to it.